Hey guys, it's Katie here, and today I wanted to show you how I clean my brushes. To clean your brushes, you can use Dawn or Johnson & Johnson baby shampoo, and you want to use warm water. I also prefer to clean my brushes with a ribbed mat, and I just got this from TJ Maxx. After you're done cleaning it, you rinse off the soap. I like to use a light colored towel and wipe using a back and forth motion. When washing my brushes, using a circular motion on the ribbed mat helps get the gunk off a lot better. Before I rinse it off, I just like to sweep it back and forth so it keeps its shape. I wanted to show you how I clean my lash and angled brush. It has stuff on it from combing through my lashes after I put on mascara, and from using the angled brush to help me apply my false lashes. Now this one is filthy because I use a lot of bronzer, and this is what I like to use. As you can see, I'm using circular motions, and I'm going from the front of my mat, which is rough, to the back, which is soft. You can see me do the same thing here. Once you're done cleaning your brushes, just lay them out on a towel and have them air dry. And there you go. Hope you enjoyed. Bye!